Hello, I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Katie Brooks, and I'm going to be teaching the 4th and 5th grade core mathematics class at Berea Academy this year. I am super excited to be teaching Singapore math. I took 3 of my kids through the Singapore math program, and I am just excited about the way that Singapore approaches math. I really enjoy the critical thinking skills that are developed through it, and just that kids have to come up with creative ways to solve problems. I'm really passionate about that. I think that there's more than one way to solve a math problem, and I want kids, before I jump in and show them maybe the most efficient way to solve that problem, I want them to puzzle through and challenge their brain and see if they can maybe come up with a way to solve it themselves before jumping in and showing them that. So I have what is called a growth mindset. I want kids that are maybe a little bit afraid of math. I want them to eventually become friends with math and to see that there's more than one way to approach things, and then to also have what's called a not yet mindset, where, you know, maybe you didn't get the problem the first time through, but that's a not yet. Someday you will, and we're gonna practice and approach it in different ways and see what your unique style of learning, how we can best help you. And so I don't want to talk about yes, you got it, or no, you don't have it, or failure. I want to talk about no, maybe not yet, but you are growing and you're going to be able to get this. So I hope you'll consider taking my class, and I'm excited to meet all of you all.